Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long time with a new video topic. First of all, subscribe my channel, that is Passionate Engineer. I have uploaded different videos regarding HVAC. I'm reading your comments. I always read your different comments regarding HVAC questions. So there are different comments. I will explain these in other videos, your confusions. So today we will discuss about the underfloor heating, how to calculate the underfloor heating pipe and its design by using the LoopCAD application. LoopCAD application basically works on these three calculation methods. One is manual J, ASHRAE, and CSA, and it's powered by the ACCA, which is the Air Conditioning Contractor of America. So we will use manual J method to calculate the underfloor heating, which is now using nowadays for residential heating purpose. So this software is useful for heating and cooling load calculation. So here we will start. First of all, select the new file and just wait for the result and give the project name. I will give it a sample project. Sorry, it's project number. You may add 1, 2, any, and project name, second location, and if any note, then click next. Here you can see there are three options. One is residential radiant heating, commercial radiant heating, snow melting, load calculation, circuit drawing. So you can calculate these three for your residential building, for commercial building, or snow melting. In those areas where temperatures are negative, like in America and other countries, Canada, UK, so you can use this LoopCAD. So click next. I'm going to calculate the residential radiant heating. So click next on this. I have just put some details for the previous projects. That is the building B1. I was using this for the Dublin airport. So we will just click on default template for our new project and just click next. In this you can see there are different options. One is drawing mode. In drawing mode you will upload drawing and just made some calculation. And second thing is spreadsheet. You can also use a spreadsheet, but it's not available in this version. Second is the circuit drawing, quick design. So I'm using the defaults and just click next. There are total 1 floor in our case, and this is slab on grade. There is no basement. So just click next on this, and then if you are going to calculate the cooling and heating load both, then click on this, else just leave it here. I am using the manual J method, so click on manual J, primary heating type radiant, secondary heating type other. Just leave it as, just click on it. Infiltration methods, click simple. If you are going to calculate through ACH 50 method, so the maximum ACH will be 3 for infiltration, but I am going to use the simple method, and 0.35 ACH for ventilation. Just click next. Here you can select the outdoor design conditions, like if you are in United States or Canada, you can choose these two countries. If your country is not listed in this country section, you can just click on custom location and add location. For adding location, choose the city name, state, country, outdoor heating design temperatures, outdoor cooling design temperatures. These are the ambient temperatures. You can just find it on internet or ASHRAE manuals. These are the variable temperature, latitude, altitude, daily range. Just add these and click OK. Like I have just put these for Dublin airport. So I'm using this condition, like I have used for Dublin airport. You can use for different, like Canada. If you are in United States, just click on United States, find your state. That is lot of states that are listed here, different cities. Just click on OK. And if it's heavy moist, then click on heavy moist. If it's heavy dry, if it's light moist, light dry, click on any one. So in this I just using the soil conductivity heavy moist, and the room temperature I am going to maintain is 21-24, that is default by the software. Indoor humidity and design temperature difference, moisture difference, building occupant. I have 5 persons in building, so I'm just select 5 and click on this next. Here, this is the main section where you will define the walls to calculate the U value, heat thermal coefficient for your building. Like if you're just click on this and wait for the okay. These are the different categories, like frame wall, block wall. In my case, I have block walls and partitions. There is no framing, none, and black core just filled, and cavity, no cavity insulation. Foam board, I have R4 foam board, and exterior finish is brick. So this is the 1.47 R value for the wall that I am going to use in my building. You can select any wall that you are using in your building. It may be a block wall, frame wall, alternative construction wall, and partitions, anyhow you can choose any wall from here, depends on your building requirements. And same for the windows, like if you have double glazing windows, simple glazing window, just select from this from these options and just click on OK. If you have exterior wall, if you have roof ceiling, if you have skylights, exposed unheated floors, joist spacing, if you have joists in your building, like in wall, in roof, you can choose a joist spacing. Slab on grade, what is the U value of slab on grade, you can just select from here and just click OK. And from here you can select the above grade panels. We are going to use above grade panels because there is no basement in our case. So you can choose from here different panel section: concrete thin slab, gypsum thin slab, heat transfer plates, above subfloor. It depends upon availability, and also depends on your contractor, which who is going to install it. If you know the availability and other perspective, you can choose anyone, but concrete thin slab is a simple one. You can choose this if you don't want any further experience in this, and the all data will be automatically calculated by the software. Just click on this. There are different PAX tube sizes which are going to be used in underfloor heating. One is 3x8, 5x16, 1x2. We are here using 5x8 and 1x2. So just click on 1x2. Default spacing is 305 mm. If you have manufacturer data, like I have one manufacturer data, let me share with you. if you have manufacturer data, if you know the sizes, if you know the pipe size, if you know the heat transfer by the pipe, like I have some manufacturer data that the 16 pipe will transfer that much heat, like 7.5 watt per meter, for example. So I have sorry, 7.5 watt per meter square. So I have just multiplied the 7.5 with the area of the space to calculate the total pipe required for the space requirement at 150 center spacing. So the spacing between this pipe will be 150 Here, if you have data like this from manufacturer, you can choose, or if you don't have any data, you can select the any from this section 200, 300, or I will choose 150 because I have manufacturer data. That is 5 by 8 inch pipe with 150 spacing, and the fluid will be in these pipes will be water, 100% water. There is no other mixture with it. If it's a very low temperature in your area, you can use propylene glycol at 20%, 30%, depends upon on your outdoor temperature. Just click on next and finish. After this, you will see this section here. You will upload, first of all, the background setting. Select new file. I have these different building drawings. I will choose one like I have these WG drawings, ground floor, okay. Just select drawing. Oh, sorry, it's causing some issue. Just clear it. I don't know why. Okay, so I have this drawing in millimeter, and I have also choose this here is in, if your drawing is in inches, you can just click on here inches, or in feet or meters, but this drawing is in millimeters, so I just select the After this, it's very simple to calculate the underfloor heating or and the heating and cooling load of this building. Here you can see this is the room, that is 13 meters square. First of all, just select draw wall or rectangle. If you just select draw wall, just put this rectangle exactly above the walls of the building. Just put it here and here. Here you can see it automatically calculated the heat load, that is 1.080 watt, and the floor temperature, that will be 29.4 centigrade will be the floor temperature that will be maintained here. It's not it's not 1.080 watt, it's 1080 watt. It's round about 1 kilowatt. So how to calculate the underfloor heating now? Just click on the circuit entry. From where you want to enter the circuit, like if I select this area, it will calculate the pipe length, that is the underfloor pipe, underfloor tube, that will be the beneath the floor, which will be used for underfloor heating. So this software automatically calculate the pipe length, that is the 39.9 meter of length will be used at 305 spacing. there will be a 305 mm spacing between this pipe, and the total pipe length from the starting to the end will be 39.9 meter at the size you have selected on the pipe section. You can use this for all areas, like I have done this before for my project, that is the building B1. I have done this before. Here you can see I have just draw the different circuits, and when all circuits are drawn, you will just click on this manifold, put manifold, and select all the entry areas and connect to manifold. So the all like here you can see the all connections will be automatically connected to manifold, that I have already done. All pipes will be connected to manifold automatically when you select the this area, that is circuit entry area, and connect to manifold. So it will be automatically connected, and you can just route your piping toward this manifold using this software. After this, you will get the drawing output, and you can just print it and export it to PDF, export it to DWG drawing for AutoCAD, and you can work on this, and the whole criteria of this project will be calculated, like it will give the total number of pipe using in different circuits, what are the temperatures that are maintaining here, and what are the temperature difference between the floor and the room, and what is the flow rate, that the water flow from these tubes, that is also calculated by the software. So it's very useful for calculating heat load, cooling load, and the underfloor heating design. It will give the complete design for underfloor heating, the pipe sizes, pipe flow rates, and the all details, and it will generate a report at the end in which it will clarify the drawing, current view, heating system summary. You can also simulate your work here. It's a little bit laggy, but you can wait for this. Okay. Here in report you can check there is circuit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the lengths are defined for the circuits, total number of pipes, tube size, that is 5 by 8 inch, how many manifolds are using. Here is only one manifold. For these all circuits you can use 2, 3 depending on your plant room. I have only one plant room here, so I used only one manifold. Just click on heating system summary. It will give the heating system summary, the all details, relative humidity of circuits, manifolds, total zones, total floor area, and the component losses, infiltration losses, radiant back losses, total heating load, radiant heating. A lot of details will be provided by the software. Heating system details, water supply summary. Here you can see the water supply summary. You will supply this water at this temperature and it will back at the different temperature. What are the flow rates, what are the hair losses. You can use these hair losses and flow rates to calculate the pump size, pump power. And here is the MJ8 manual J8 load summary. Here you can see it will also give the manual J load summary, which is very useful in United States, Canada, UK. These countries are using these manual GA reports for their projects. And this is the simple design of underfloor heating. Thank you for watching and keep commenting on my video. Thank you.